Welcome back. You're watching News Tonight. On to our special segment, Cricket Carnival. Well, the Chennai Super Kings lost their match against Deccan Chargers yesterday. Fans are disappointed that the Chennai team has lost this crucial match. But what are the chances of the team making it to the semi-finals now? We were joined here in our studio by cricket analyst and former cricketer Srinath to discuss just that.
3 more games to go. If they can win 2 out of 3, they make the table pretty open. 14 points, and excepting Mumbai at the top of the table, 12 points each to the Royal Challengers Bangalore and the Rajasthan Royals. The rest of the teams are locked on 10. So end of it, the teams which lock 14 points will certainly fight it out with the net run rate. Still nothing is lost. Chennai has been in this position before, in this hole. And I feel they've got the resilience to pull it off. And the end of it, as I said, 14 points with too many teams at 14. Net run rate is going to be the key here. The way they've played the last 2 games, it also proves that, they can also be vulnerable. I think they're depending too much at the top of the order on Sachin Tendulkar. So maybe they're just 1 win away. They've still got about 3 games to play to ensure that they're there at the top of the table. But as I said, taking away Mumbai Indians out of the equation, the other 3 places are certainly open for any other team to come in. I don't think he's really hit the purple patch, excepting the one outstanding innings he had against the Daredevils. I don't think he's really fired. And of course, Dhoni, he's not had his opportunities really to come good. Maybe he should have put up his hand and maybe batted higher up the order in a couple of matches. He could have done that. Vishy did it in South Africa last year. Whole team has to work as a unit to really pull it off. And as you said, Hayden has to fire in the next 3 games. He needs to be at the top of the game, certainly for CSK to come good in the next 3 games. I think Dhoni has been a very proactive captain. I mean, I was really surprised when I could get a statement. Maybe he was trying to defend what he had said at the toss. With the experience of Murli, more than 1,000 wickets in international cricket, 20 years of cricketing experience, and the wicket aiding the spinners, I think certainly having Murli in the side would have been a great asset. In fact, I would have gone in with Murli, Jakati and Ashwin. The wickets certainly help the spinners rather than the faster bowlers. It's going to be a must-win situation for both the games. You will have a sellout crowd, and Ganguly being the former Indian captain and Dhoni the current Indian captain, you will have sparks flying. The Chennai Heat, it's going to be a nail-biting finish and a humdinger, and I hope Chennai pulls it off and makes the table really tight enough to get into the top 4.
Well, we'll have to wait and watch if Chennai pulls it off against the match against KKR in a few days. Now, moving on, Rotarians of different Rotary clubs came together once again today to raise funds for their community projects. But this time around, it's their annual car rally that will pick up the tab. Karun Chandok was a part of that rally in a different role. Our reporter Lokpriya gets you the details.
For once, ace racer Karun Chandok was not in the driver's seat. Instead, he was present at the GRT Radisson to flag off over 500 Rotarians who are revving up for a cause. It was the 3rd installment of their annual car rally, a fun-filled fundraiser of sorts.
It's nice to see the public getting involved. It's obviously quite a big event. They've got nearly 100 cars, I'm told, which is nearly 500 participants today. And it's nice to do events like this. It's good fun. It gives the families a chance to spend a Sunday morning doing something different. It's a great initiative.
The proceeds from this rally will go towards the construction of a boys' shelter and drinking water projects for Chennai schools. It was an age no bar affair that saw both the young and old turn up in huge numbers.
I am participating in this rally. I am very much excited. I will certainly see what I can do while my friend Ravi is driving the car or navigating. And I'm very happy to see that so many Rotarians are taking part in this rally.
At this annual car rally, it's the spirit of friendship and fellowship that takes a precedent over winning. With camera person Srinivas, Lokpriya for NDTV Hindu.
Well, that's a wrap on this bulletin. Keep watching NDTV Hindu for all the latest news and updates.